You think owning the 2026 Land Rover Defender 130 is about ultimate capability, luxury, presence, and unstoppable off-road dominance. But what if I told you this extended beast is quietly one of the most demanding vehicles you can commit to? You're not just buying a rugged icon. You're stepping into a system where size, technology, and prestige all come with hidden trade-offs. At first, everything feels perfect. The bold design, the elevated driving position, the way it commands attention on the road and off. It feels like nothing can stop it. But then, reality begins to show. The Defender 130 isn't just bigger. It's heavier, more complex, and more expensive to maintain. Those extra seats and extended body add convenience, but also increase fuel consumption and tire wear, and long-term stress on suspension components, especially if you actually use it the way it is marketed as an off-road machine. Modern Land Rover engineering brings advanced terrain response systems, air suspension, and digital control interfaces that feel incredible when everything works. But the moment something fails, you're dealing with expensive diagnostics, dealership dependency, and repair bills that don't come cheap. This isn't a simple mechanical SUV anymore. It's a tech-heavy luxury system on wheels, and that changes everything. Insurance costs are higher because of its price, class, and repair complexity. Parts are premium and sometimes harder to source. And even basic maintenance feels elevated compared to standard SUVs. Yet, despite all of this, the Defender 130 delivers a rare experience. It blends heritage design with modern capability in a way few vehicles can match. It's not just about getting through rough terrain. It's about doing it with confidence and presence. But smart owners understand this isn't a casual purchase. This is a long-term commitment that requires planning, budget awareness, and realistic expectations. Because the biggest mistake you can make is falling in love with the image and ignoring the ownership reality. The truth is, vehicles like the Defender 130 are built to impress in the moment, but they test you over time. And the real question isn't, can it handle the terrain? The real question is, can you handle the cost of keeping it at its best? Because in the end, the real price of the 2026 Land Rover Defender 130 isn't what you pay when you buy it. It's everything it demands from you long after the first drive. And what I'm about to show you next might completely change how you look at modern luxury off-road SUVs.